Alright guys, we're flying out of Caribbean Beach, and I just wanted to give you a shot here of Guardians of the Galaxy and how things are coming along there. Now, don't forget, Space 220 is opening on March the 30th, and we're going to be there. I hope that we can get reservations to go in, but those haven't popped up yet, so one way or the other, we're going to try our best to be able to get in there. And so, anyway, also, Spaceship Earth over there, no closing date for it yet, but it will close at some point, and it's supposed to be closed for 2 years. So, let's see here. I'm trying to think of anything else. Okay guys, thought I'd try to jump back in here real quick before she starts talking again. Okay, so we're going to be here for the opening of Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway on March the 4th. We will be getting on the ride at 11:15. I would love to live stream this, but I don't want to live stream to no one. It's much easier if I just film it, so the live streaming is actually done for you all. So if you're interested in seeing a live stream on that day, please leave comments below and let me know that you would like to see the live stream, and then I would be happy to do it. If not, no need to comment, or you can comment about something else. I'm always looking for questions, I'm always looking for comments. So, alright, that's it. Hey, Connor and I just were discussing here, and I'll probably never use this video, but who knows, that with as frightening as this thing can be sometimes with it bouncing and bobbing around, we should call it the Disney Skidliner. What do you think? Alright, we're currently in a, well, almost holding pattern, and we're swinging. Where's the music for swinging? We'll find some real quick. Alright, once again we're coming up on the mouse. Not that mouse, the other mouse. Let's see how things are progressing here. Seeing as how they'll be open here in probably just a few months. Alright, getting ready to put roof on. There. Oh wow, look at the chimneys. The chimneys are even done there now. All of the facade, well, on the upper buildings are done. Wow. Oh, see the fountain down there? See if I can get a better shot maybe of it. See the fountain in the entryway. That's really kind of cool. Finishing up window boxes, stuff like that. This is looking good, guys. Looking good.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please... Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today? We'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening.
Alright guys, with another ride here on the Skyliner. Here's what we've kind of noticed this time around. It's getting a little herkier and jerkier in points. We've noticed a few more stops each time that we've been here, but nothing major. Yeah, I think, you know, hot weather's coming back again. And so we've already tried it out in the hot weather and it was okay as long as you're not stopped. If you're stopped on a day in July, probably for 30 seconds, that could get to be a problem. Just make sure you have some water or something on the ride with
We are now
you.
approaching the Skyliner turn station. While this special station was designed just for turning, other Skyliner stations were designed to complement their unique environments. From the glamour of Disney's Hollywood studios to the laid-back islands of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Okay, and as we go through the turn here, Connor and I were talking about this. This Skyliner is a mode of transportation against the buses or the boats if you're looking to just go to the back gate of Epcot. And I think we both agree we would choose the Skyliner every time. Correct, Connor?
Yes.
Alright. That's all Connor gets to say for today. Anyway, so we at least still agree on that. Yeah, this is a great way to just get around. One day too, I do want to make another trip back to Pop Century and Art of Animation. I tried the breakfast thing there one day and that was a real fail. I just thought I could get better breakfast things in the parks. But I will come over one day and just try something maybe for lunch or dinner. And probably go to Pop this time as I tried Art the last time. But who knows, we'll see what happens on that day. Alright, enjoy the rest of the ride and we'll see you guys next time.